Hey YouTube, how's it going? My name is Alejandro. I'm the face behind this channel. I've only got one video. This is gonna be my second. I have other channels that you guys can look at if you guys want to, but this is my car channel. It's gonna revolve around my car and any other cars that I might get or whatever. It's just gonna be a car channel. Don't know where it's going really. Might just do vlogs, might just do my build, don't know. We'll see where it goes. Today I'm going to take a trip, well not really a trip, but I'm gonna drive down to Turnbull Canyon to drive at Turnbull Canyon. That's where I want to test all my camera equipment, because I got a GoPro up here you can't see, and then it's mounted to the windshield, and once I get there I'm gonna mount it to the hood. That way you can get like a different perspective of the car at Turnbull Canyon. And I'm gonna visit different canyons, go to car meets and all that other stuff, so we'll see how it goes. I wanted to add this real quick. If you saw my first video, it was me switching out my mirror to my car. It was from my driver's side. There was a section in the video where there was no sound, and I forgot about not being able to play music or certain music with YouTube, because it prevents you from getting like monetized or whatever. So I had to delete the sound from that part of the video. So if there's nothing in that part, there was really nothing important, so you're not really missing out on anything. But my bad for adding the video. Now I know. Well, you know, this is a work in progress. That was the first video, just needed to post it up. But yeah, check this out guys. Stupid truck, move. Compton's getting it in and out, bro. Compton's getting it in and out. Can't wait. The 105 freeway right now, going east. This shit's kind of dead, but maybe I was talking too early. Look at this shit. Never mind. I fucked it up. I jinxed it. Red lights. Red lights. I hate this traffic. I'm taking the 605 north. It's 9:30 on a Monday. It's horrible. But anyways, yeah, this is gonna be my second attempt at this video. The first time I attempted this video, I did it at nighttime. I prefer to drive canyons at night, because at nighttime you can see if there's a car coming, oncoming. So that's why I like doing night driving instead. So here goes take two. Right here we're getting off on Beverly. All you gotta do is take Beverly all the way straight from Whittier, then it'll take you to Turnbull Canyon. Once you're done with Turnbull Canyon, you should be in Hacienda Heights, I believe. There you go, and off on Beverly. Alright, so we're in the front of the canyon right now. There is cars and trucks going through it right now, so I'm not sure if it's a good idea to go. I'm just gonna wait a little bit and then see what's up. Alright, so I'm about to pull out right here. I just mounted the camera, the GoPro, into the hood of the car so you can get a different perspective. Let's go. the tippy top. Fuck, my ears are clogged up right now. I'm just gonna park real quick, relax, enjoy the view. Let's see. So we're right here at the top of the canyon. There goes Bay. There goes Bay right there, and we're just gonna enjoy the sights real quick before we leave. Might as well do that when we're here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You can't see it that well, but it's nice up here. Oh man, my camera's about to die. Good thing I brought my battery, so I'm gonna keep recording till this dies. That's one view. And then, so yeah, I had to get the battery. The fucking camera died. So yeah, let's look at view number 2. It's a little nice view. Coming up here at night is way better because the other view, the one over there, looks a lot better because of all the city lights from Hacienda Heights. Makes it look all nice and pretty. But yeah, wilderness. I love this shit. Just chilling. Alright, so I just saw this here too. If you guys know anything about this missing dog, puppy, Marley, 4 months, Bernese Mountain Dog. That's the phone number. So I don't know which way I'm gonna go right now. I'm thinking about whether I should go down the hill to Hacienda Heights, or if I should go back down the hill the other way. I'll see. I'm just gonna go down to Hacienda Heights side. Let's see what happens. All right, let's go down the hill. But I just want to capture the view. This is stupid to do too during the day because nobody can see that you're stopped. So real quick. fastest I ever drove down that street, down that canyon. I missed my gear a little bit. I grinded. I don't know if you guys heard that. Fucked up. Oh man. So yeah, that was the canyon. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you guys want me to change anything. I know my driving sucks. I've never put my foot down to the pedal like that, and I know going downhill is the trickier part for me. I'm more of an uphill person, but practice makes perfect, I guess. But yeah, until next time, see you later.